Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Oh, okay. So today is a doubt session. From week 5 and week 6, we will take doubts. So let's start with week 5. Fine. So anyone is having any doubts in week 5?
मैम जो एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी जो है वो आप समझाओगे कैसे, किस हिसाब से? थोड़ी समझ में नहीं आया एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी का।
Extra activity? What's your doubt in that?
एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज में मैम जो मतलब स्लाइड्स जो बनानी है वो किस हिसाब से बना के करनी है? मैंने दो तीन जगह देखा, मैंने वीडियोस भी वापस देखी, फिर भी मैंने इससे समझ में नहीं आई।
I don't have that much of idea in extra activity. Other than that, like in activity questions or practice assignment.
मैम फिर वो कंपलसरी नहीं है क्या एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी?
Like
Ma'am, he is asking when he can, how he can solve extra activity questions.
there must be a video for to how to do the extra activities, I think. Is it not?
Yes, ma'am, but he's saying that he didn't understand through videos also.
You didn't understand the videos. Actually, I don't have that much of idea in extra activity. Hmm.
मैम इज इट कंपलसरी?
There are only two activities, right?
Yes, ma'am. In extra activity, there.
Ma'am, I
Ac-
have a doubt. Can I ask, ma'am?
yeah. About the extra activity, I'm not sure because I haven't seen it. So, like in the next session, I will be clearing your doubts for the extra activity. Is it fine?
Ma'am, my doubt is about the payment, ma'am. Actually, I had paid, ma'am, for foundation level courses, but the mail came like the payment has failed.
Mhm.
So, do I need to pay again, ma'am?
Just ask the respective person, like mail them.
Yes, ma'am. I have mailed like support, DS support IIT Madras, ma'am, but I didn't got reply, ma'am, from them.
Okay. So just maybe there must be some contact numbers. You can contact them, I think.
They didn't give us contact numbers, ma'am.
Okay. Just try and mail them, like let's wait for 1, 2 days. Maybe they will contact you.
Ma'am, 7th is the last day to pay, ma'am. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay. I don't know. I will ask them. That's
Oh,
fine.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Nobody is having any doubts in week 5 and week 6.
Ma'am, I was having a doubt in the practice assignment.
Okay, which one?
Question number 5.
Week 5?
Yes, week 5.
Okay. Question 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your doubt?
I don't know. I am not getting the right answer. I think this will be done with combination, not with permutation.
Uh, what are the steps that you follow?
Um, I did 25C4 because we had to choose four each from the four choices, the four parts. We could
See, it is given that Prakash is going to assemble a laptop by himself. He has the choice of chips from Intel, Motorola, Nvidia, or Qualcomm, a hard drive from 4 brands, memory from 7 brands, and an unnecessary bundle and an accessory bundle from 10 local stores. How many different ways can Prakash order the parts? Fine. So, like, if he is assembling a laptop, so he needs all these things, right? So, from all these things, he needs one part, right? So, from the chips, from the, like, there are how many chips are there? One, two, three, four. There are 4 chips. So,
oh,
from that 4 companies, he would be buying only one chip, right? From the hard drive, like, there are 4 brands. So, after that 4 brands, he will be choosing one brand only, right?
yes.
Right? So in all of these things, like all the things that he wants, he only need one. And for to choose that one, like for the chips, there are 4 choices. For the brands, there are 4 choices. For the memory, there are 7 brands. Then for the accessories, there are 10. So that's why the like it will be having the multiplication rule, which is 4 into 7 into 10. You got my point?
Oh, yes, yes. No, only the multiplication rule. It will not
Yeah,
be
you
more
have to just,
complicated.
yeah, correct.
I thought I had to do it with factorial and all. That's why I
No, no,
got
no,
little
no, no.
confused.
You got it? Or
No, no, I got it. I got it.
you got it? Okay, fine. Any other doubt?
Question number
Sorry?
second question.
7. Okay. Find the ratio of the number of 3-digit numbers whose digit either increases or decreases from left to right, or the number of 3-digit numbers whose digits either increases or. So you solved this question?
No.
You haven't.
No.
Okay. So what's your doubt in this?
I don't know how to approach.
Okay, fine. See, the question is you have to find the ratio of the number of 3-digit numbers, and all the digits are being even here, whose digits either increase or decrease from left to right. Okay, so this is the numerator part. Then the denominator part will be the number of 3-digit numbers which are all odd, whose digits are either increase or decrease from left to right. So there are cases. Okay. So first of all, for the even digits, there are 5 even digits, right? That is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Are you listening?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So like from 0 to 9, there are 5 digits which are even. Okay. So first of all, the like it is the ratio of number of 3-digit numbers. So we have to make 3-digit numbers. Fine. So the required number when digits increase from left to right while taking 2, 4, 6, 8 will be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8. That it's increasing from left to right. Okay. Now we will take another case in which the digits are decreasing from left to right. So in that case, we will be taking 02468. You got that?
Yes.
Are you getting? Okay. So the required numbers, when digit decrease from left to right will be 864. See, 864, it's decreasing from left to right. 864. There are many cases. So in total, we have 14 different cases where the digits are increasing and decreasing from left to right. So for the even digits, there are 14 different cases. Similarly, we will count for the odd digits. Okay. So first of all, we will take the case for the increasing one. Okay. So for increasing, it will be 135, 137. So these are the cases. 10 cases. Then we have the digits where it's decreasing from right to left. Okay. So these are the 10 cases. So in total, we have 20 different cases in which the three digits can be formed, in which the digits are either increasing or decreasing from right to left. Okay. So we have got the two things. That is for the even digit, which is 14 different cases. And for the odd digits, it's 20 different cases. So the ratio will be 14 divided by 20, which is 7/10. You got it? Or do you want me to repeat it again?
Repeat it again, please.
Okay. See, there are we have to find out the ratio. Okay. So the ratio is even digits divided by the odd digits. Fine. So like if you are taking the numbers are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the 10 digits. Okay, from these 10 digits, we have to make the numbers. Okay, so for the numerator part, we have to take only even digits. So how many even digits are there?
4, 6, 8, 4,
0,
5.
2, 4,
7, 5.
6, and 8. So there are in total 5 digits. Fine. So the case is, so the case here it is given that the digits should be increasing and decreasing from left to right. Okay. So first of all, we will be taking the condition in which it is increasing. Okay. So the first condition is increasing. So if it is increasing, then we will be taking the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. We won't be taking it, we won't be taking 0 because we need 3-digit number. And it's increasing from left to right. Okay. So if it's increasing from left to right, so it will be 246, 248, then 468, then
268.
then 268. Yeah, I think these are the cases, 4 cases. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Why we are not taking 0? Because if we take 0, then it won't be a 3-digit number. That's why we are not taking the 0. Only the rest of the 4 numbers we are taking. And from that 4 numbers, we are making the digits which are increasing.
Ma'am,
Okay,
don't
from
we take 642 like that?
642.
Yeah.
Is it increasing?
Okay. Yes.
Got it? Okay. So how many cases cases are there? There are 4 cases here. Okay. Second, we are taking that it's decreasing from left to right. So in that, we would be taking all the numbers. Okay. From 0 to 468, we would be making 3-digit number which are decreasing from left to right. Okay. So it can be 864, 862, 860. Then it can be 842, 840, then 820, 642, 640, then 620, then 420. So how many cases are there? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total, there are 10 cases. So in total, if we add both of the condition, we would be getting 4 plus 10, which is 14. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. So this is the numerator part. We got the even part. Then we would be calculating the odd digits. Okay. How many odd digits are there? 5, which are 1,
3,
3.
5,
5, 7.
7, 9.
Okay. Now we would be the condition is we have to make the digits which is increasing from, I think it's different for this. It's right to left. Okay. It's increasing from right to left. So if it's increasing from right to left, so the cases would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. So what are the numbers that we would be getting? It's increasing from right to left. Just remember that. Okay.
135.
135,
137.
137, 139,
139.
157,
57. 159.
159, 179.
9.
Similarly, like you can have these. So like that, you can make the cases here. So there are 10 cases for that and 10 cases for the decreasing one. Fine. So in total, we have 20 cases for the odd digit. Now we would be having the ratio, right? For the odd digit, the total cases were 20. Fine. So if we need to find out the ratio would be even, which is 14 divided by the 20, which would be 7 by 10. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody having any other doubt in practice assignment 5?
Ma'am, will you tell the process of EMQ?
Project of EMQ?
Process of EMQ, ma'am.
This grader assignment.
Okay, just tell the process, ma'am.
I think you have to select the options only. Like there are many options. These are the options, and according to that, according to the questions, you have to select the correct option. That's the case.
Ma'am, here's some extra activity questions. It is important to do it also.
Like for the marks, you have to solve it if you want marks. I think there are 5% for the extra activity, right?
Okay.
Anybody having any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, from week 6 and
Hmm.
from activity 6.2 question number 1 and 2.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Question 1 and 2.
Out of 6 consonants, we have the 3 consonants and 2 vowels in the form. Mhm. So the question is out of 6 consonants. So in total, how many consonants are there? In total, we have 6 consonants and 4 vowels. Okay, we have 4 vowels. How many words of 3 consonants? From these, we have to make 3 consonants and 2 vowels.
vowels.
Okay. So, how many words can be made up, right?
Ma'am, is it 6C3 into 4C2?
Yes. So, what's the so so it will be factorial 6 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 3, 4 factorial, 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This will be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2. The question is out of 6 consonants and 3 consonants, 3 consonants and 4 Just a second.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
No, I was just a second. Just wait for a second. Is the week 5 EMQ like you're able to submit it?
No, ma'am, we can't understand how to submit.
No, I'm not asking about how, like, are you able to submit it? Like, is there any issue submitting the EMQ part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, like, if you're having any issue in that, then the portal team will look into it. That okay? So don't need to worry about that. Fine. Okay.
After submitting, why it is showing chosen file is not seen like that?
Yeah, that's the thing. That many issues are coming like that. So we have told the team portal about that. They are looking into that. So just
Already the button is blue, like we have attempted. But when we open it, it is showing no file chosen like that.
yeah, we will. They will see into that. We have told the things to them. They will see into it. Fine.
So we have to submit it again, or it has done. How it is? Test run is complete, 100% it is showing. But when we after submitting, it is showing like that.
Yeah, I'll ask them. Fine. Okay. Let's get back into the question. So the question is out of yeah. So I solved here. So in total there are 120. Fine. So there are 120 choices by which like we can make words. Now these words, like in total, how many words we have to form? Like 3 plus 2, that is 5 words, right? That is 3 consonants and 2 vowels. That means there are 5 words. Sorry, 5. You can say the letters, right? And these 5 letters are to be arranged. So these 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. First of all, we have chosen the chosen the letters, okay? And these letters are to be arranged in like the word is being made by 5 letters, right? These 5 letters are to be arranged. So these 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So in total, the number of like number of ways the words can be formed is 120 into 5 factorial, which will be 120 into 120.
Ma'am,
This will be equal to,
1400, 400,
yeah,
14,400.
ma'am, if choosing and arranging is there, then we should take a permutation, right, ma'am?
sorry.
If choosing and arranging is there, then we should opt like choose permutations, right, ma'am?
But we are taking different, like, there are different words, right? So first of all, we are choosing from uh, the consonants. Then we are choosing from the vowels. Then after, from that, like, we have chose the letters, right? From that letters, we are going to arrange these letters in, like, to make a word which is of 5 letters. Okay, and these words can be in like they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So first of all, we have chosen the letters, then we
Ma'am,
have arranged it.
ma'am means first of all, ma'am, we have to make combination and then, ma'am, factorial type.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Got it, everyone?
Yes. Understood, ma'am, understood.
Okay, fine. Second question.
Ma'am, then question number 2. Ma'am, there is some problem in question number 2, I think.
Okay. Because there are 14 See, in total, we have how many men's are there?
40.
We have 40 men's. Okay, and how many women's are there?
15.
15. 15 women's are
Hmm.
there. Okay. And these men's are shaking hands with the men's only, and these women's are shaking hands with the women's only. Okay. We have to find out the maximum number of handshakes. Fine. So if like a one handshake includes 2 hands, right? So in total, how many combinations would be there? 40C2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it would
Yes.
be 40 factorial divided by 38 factorial into 2 factorial. This will be equal to 40 into 39 divided by 2, 20, which would be equal to 78, right? Similarly, now for the women's, same case, 15C2, right? We
Hmm.
are making out 2 combinations, right? So 15C2, it will be 15 factorial divided by 13 factorial, 2 factorial. This will be equal to 15 into 14 divided by 2, 7.
Ma'am, in the above question, if you are using a permutation, we'll get a 1440, ma'am.
Sorry.
In the above question, if we use a permutation like 6p3 into 4p2, we will get the answer like 14, 40.
14?
40.
Sorry, 40?
1440, ma'am.
1440.
Yes, ma'am.
But the answer is 14,400.
Yes, ma'am. But
Okay,
I didn't clear the answer like me.
just a second. We'll come back to that. Okay, just a second. So, yeah. So I was doing for 40 C2. This is 78, and for 15 for the women's it is 105. So the total cases can be for the women, so for the men 78, or we can have for the women's, right, which is 105. So in total we would be
It will
having,
be 780
oh, sorry, 780.
for men.
Okay, yeah. So it would be 780 for the men and 105 for the women. So in total, how many cases, like how many ways are there? It would be 885. Okay, for the men, or we can have the handshakes for the women's. Okay, we can have different cases. Fine. Just adding for the men and women, we would be getting the answer. Uh, got it? Who asked the doubt? Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, got it.
Got it? Fine.
Activity 5.3 question number 1. The answer should be 64, but the answer that's given is around 729, I think.
So how did you solve it?
The question says that in how many ways can a test paper of such question be completed?
Yeah.
Or being a true or false. So 2 to the power in there will be
See,
there
the
are
question,
six.
see, no, it's asking that how many questions he can attempt. So in total, how many questions there are there? There are 6 questions, right? So in total, there are 6 questions. And for the first question, there are 3 choices. Whether he can answer it that as true, or he can answer it as false, or he will not
Or
attempt that.
whether lived it.
Yeah. So there are 3 choices for first question. Similarly, for the second question, there are 3 choices. For the third till 6 question, there are 3 choices. So in
3
total,
to
it
the
would be
power
3 raised to
6.
the power 6.
Not attempt is also there.
Yeah. See, the question it is asked that how many ways can a test paper of 6 question be attempted? It's not saying that he is like the correct answer or something. He is just asking the ways for attempting that question. That's it. Fine.
Okay, fine.
Question 4 of this AQ.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question 4 of this AQ. Activity question 5.3.
Activity third.
Yes, ma'am, in this activity question number 4.
Your voice is not clear.
He was asking for the question number 4 in the same activity.
Okay. In how many ways can fibers inputs arrange in encryptions? Okay, see. There are 2 bookshelves. Okay, this is the first bookshelf, and this is the second bookshelf. Okay, and in total we have 5 different books. So let's have different cases here. Okay, So the first case is we are having all the 5 books in the book one, in the shelf, bookshelf one, and 0 books in the second shelf. Okay. Similarly, the second case is we are having 4 books here and 1 book here. Fine. Third case is we are having 3 books here, 2 books here. Fourth is we are having 2 books here and 3 books here. Fifth case is we are having 1 book here and 4 books here. And sixth cases we are having no books here and 5 books here. So these are the cases. So for the first case, if we look, we have to like we have 5 distinct books, right? And from the 5 distinct books, we are keeping all the 5 books here. So in total, we would be having 5C5. Okay. We have chosen the 5 books. Now we have to arrange these 5 books in 5 factorial ways.
Yes, ma'am.
So in total, it would be 5P5 only.
Yes.
Right? Similarly, we are choosing 4 books from that 5 and we are arranging it. So it would be 5P5. Sorry, 5P4. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in all the cases, 5P3, 5P2, and 5P1, and this is 5P0. Okay. Now in the second bookshelves, we are having 0 books. That is like 0 factorial, which is 1. We are having 1 book. We will arrange it in 1 factorial way. Similarly, in the like in the third case, we are having 2 books. So these 2 books can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. See, the 3 books are already chosen here. So the remaining 2 books will be there here only. So these remaining 2 books will be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Similarly, the remaining 3 books will be arranged in 3 factorial ways. These remaining 4 books will be arranged in 4 factorial ways, and remaining 5 books will be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Got it?
No,
Have to
ma'am.
choose these books again. Or
Sorry.
shall
Why
Ma'am,
don't we take in shelf 2 p permutations, ma'am?
Because we are not choosing it. We have already like in the first bookshelf only we have chosen all the books. The 5 books, 4 books, 3 books, 2 books, and 1. And the remaining books are only there in the bookshelf, like in the second bookshelf. So we are just arranging it. We are not choosing it, we are just arranging it.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
Thank you.
Okay?
ma'am.
Yes.
First of, ma'am, bookshelf number 1 is like threshold frequency, and second bookshelf is like a remaining frequency.
Yes. Okay. So now for the first case, the total the number of ways will be 5P5 into 1 factorial. Sorry, 1, right? For the second case, it will be 5P4 into 1 factorial. This is not 1. This is 1. Okay. For the third case, it will be 5P3 into 2 factorial. For the fourth case will be 5P2 into 3 factorial. For the fifth case, it will be 5P1 into 4 factorial. And this will be equal to 5P0 into 5 factorial. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this will be equal to 5 factorial. This will be 5 factorial. This will be 5 factorial. This will be 5 factorial. Okay. So all our answers will be like 5 factorial, 5 factorial. So in total, we would be having 6 into 5 factorial, the number of ways. the cases. So this will be equal to 720. Everybody got it?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, got it.
the reason why we're choosing permutation over combination is that we are choosing and then arranging them, right, in the bookshelves?
Yeah. First of all, we are choosing it, then we are arranging it. That's why we are using permutation.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Anybody having any other doubt in 5.3? Any other doubts?
I have doubt in textbook question.
Sorry?
Page number. I have a doubt in textbook question. Textbook PDF.
Textbook PDF.
Page number 79. Yes, ma'am. Question number 2.
Which book?
First 1 to 6 week.
Page number?
79. And question, ma'am.
Which one?
Second. Question number 2.
It's the same question, like I think it's from practice assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see. So Narendra purchases sports item. So only one item he has to purchase from each category. So he has a choice of cricket bats. So how many cricket bats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So from these 4, he has to select only one. From the cricket balls, he has like 4 choices. So from these 4 choices, he has to select one. So it will be 4 into 4 into 8 into 5 into 10. You getting my point? See, he has 4 choices for the cricket bats, right? Then we have 4 choices for the balls. Then he have 8 brands for the stumps. Then he have 5 brands for the jersey and 10 for the sport shoes. So from these choices, he has to select only one item from each of the category, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be
Yes.
4C1 into 4C1 into 8C1 into 5C1 into 10C1, which will be 4
C1.
into 4 into 8 into 5 into 10. This will get us 6,400. Fine.
Ma'am,
This is the same question as the practice assignment.
ma'am, some
Yes.
doubt in this question. Ma'am, why you pick, ma'am, combination over permutations?
Because we are only choosing. Permutation is
Okay.
used when we are choosing and then arranging it. Here we are just choosing the, like in combination, we are just choosing the things. From that, like from this 4 category, from this 4 choices, we have to choose only 2 options. Then it will be 4C2. We are not arranging things. We are just choosing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So any more doubts in week 5?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in week 5, tutorial 7 question, I have one doubt.
Tutorial 7.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here, why they are not considering the non-alphanumeric case?
This is the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alphanumeric. Consonant, handshake, so, what is it now?
Ma'am, first digit,
Hmm.
we can make a password like we are not using any of the alphabets.
Okay. But it should be the alphanumeric only, right?
But ma'am, the question says that if she wants to use alphanumeric password, then she cannot use small alphabets. Means, ma'am, we
Only the
can,
capital alphabets.
yes, ma'am. Then if we construct a password without using that, if she construct a password without using the alphanumeric,
Hmm.
then that case should be considered no, ma'am.
No, because they are like she is only like the pass she is making password which is alphanumeric. There is like it's not written that she is using only numeric password. She is having alphanumeric password in which she is not using the small alphabets, and the first digit is an alphabet. Like for
Okay,
the
ma'am.
first digit only, she is using as a alphabet. That's it. This is the condition it's given.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubts? Has everyone saw the week 5 activity questions and practice assignment?
Yes.
So everybody was like you were able to solve the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and from week 6?
Not done yet.
Sorry,
Practice assignments are not.
practice assignment is not done. I think in the practice assignment for week 6, it's same as week 5 only, like most of the questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the extra activity, what is the peer review?
What is the peer review?
Yes.
I think best of the 3 are taken.
No, ma'am, but there is no option for peer review.
Sorry, what?
There is no option for peer review.
There is no option for the peer review.
Yes, ma'am, I can't find it.
Yeah, see into that. Hmm. Has everyone uh you look into the videos like for the activity solutions and the practice assignment solutions for week 5? Has everyone seen the videos? Solve with us as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. How many questions have been solved in practice assignment 6?
You were asking about PA question.
Uh, the PA, yeah, the practice assignment. How many questions have been solved? Like in week 5, nobody is having any doubts. So I think everybody solved the question, right? For the week
Yes,
6,
ma'am.
I am asking.
How much we have done,
Yeah, how much you have done? Like the
ma'am?
activity questions are completed by everyone? 6.1 and 6.2?
Ma'am, I have not started week 6, just up to week 5 only.
Okay, done week 5 only. So nobody has started like week 6 right now. So if nobody is having any other doubts, then
And will you explain the third question, ma'am, in this activity?
6.2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many students? 100. See, the digits are 3, 3, 5, 2, 9, right? So in total, we have 5 digits. So from these 5 digits, we have to choose 2-digit number, right? So we have to make 2-digit. So,
We have to form means what should we take, ma'am?
so it will be 5p2, right? We are choosing 2 digits from these 5 digits, and we are we will arrange it as well, right? So it will be 5p2 only.
Ma'am, and repetition is not allowed this segment.
Sorry,
In the question, they said
how many 2 digits?
repetition is not allowed.
Repetition is fine. Okay. Yeah. So it will be like, okay, the repetition is, if it's the repetition is not allowed, then we would be only choosing the 5, like from these 5 digits, we would be choosing 2 digits, right? So it will be 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. This will be equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2.
First one was right,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what about arranging the
A second. See, we have to make 2 digits, fine? And we have been given 5 digits here. Okay. So in the first digit, we are having 5 choices.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And for the second digit, we are like the repetition is not allowed. So
4
if one,
choices.
yeah, so there are 4 choices. So in total, it would be 5 into 4, which is 20.
20.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, what if repetitions are allowed?
If the repetition is allowed, then it would be 5 into 5.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Hello. So, ma'am, what is public test and private test in this EMQ session? Right.
Sorry, I'm not aware of that.
Ma'am, what is this public test and private test in EMQ session?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not aware of that thing. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am, because I have submitted my EMQ assignment, but
Okay.
it shows that public it's 100 out of 100, but in private it's 0 out of 100. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure about that.
Ma'am, in the same second question, will you explain, ma'am?
Second question.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
already explained this. See, there are 40 men's and 15 women's, and the men's can shake only hands with the men's, and 15, the women's can shake only hands with the women's. Okay. And 2 hands combined is one handshake, right? So from the 40 men's, we have to choose 2 hands. That is 40C2. It will be 780. Similarly, from the 15 women's, we have to choose 2, right? So it would be 15C2. That is 105. So the question it is asking is maximum number of handshakes that take place. Okay. So it can be the cases like from the men's, it can have 780 cases, or it can have from the women's, which is 105. So in total, we would be having 885 cases. Like that is 885 handshakes. Okay, the maximum number of handshakes. Fine. You got it? Is the doubt clear? Who asked the question? Like, hello? Is she there in the meet? Okay. Anybody having any other doubts? Or should we end this meet? Can we end this meet if nobody's having any other doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Actually, ma'am, I have not solved the practice assignment of week 6. So can I ask this, when I solve that practice assignment today, can I ask in the next session?
Yeah, you can ask in the next session.
Okay.
Please inform regarding that EMQ, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah. You can leave the meet if you're not having any doubt.